Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to enable or disable show lock screen background picture on the sign on screen in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to lock screen and click on it. Now scroll down further and you'll find this option, show the lock screen background pictures on the sign in screen. You can disable it or enable it depending upon your requirements. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.